Hello everyone, friends. Today on the channel, I'll show you what to do if you forgot your Gmail password and how to recover it. To do this, go to your Gmail account if you have one. If you don't, then click the Sign In button. Enter the email address that's linked to your account. Mine's already linked here. Let's go with this one. There, and you don't remember the password, then click Try Another Way. So here you have two options. I have two. But you might also have a linked phone number where you can receive a code, or a backup email address where you can also receive a code. If you don't have either of those, like me, click Try Another Way there, and you can try opening Gmail on your phone and just tap the Yes Continue button. But if you don't have the app on your phone, then click the Help button. So you have the option to either reach out to the community or contact support. To do this, search for Gmail Help Support email and look for the email. You can use support.google.com or just google.com/support, or sign in from another Gmail account. Sign in from another account. Click the question mark to send feedback to Google. Click Report a Problem, select your issue, choose Get Help with Gmail account, and describe your problem like, I have a Gmail account with this email address. Say you forgot the password and they'll ask for additional proof that the email address is really yours. That's it. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.